Hello, this is Ralph Mahalik Jr., the low payment king for the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. Again, we've been here for 59 years. We've got a lot of long-term team members. And we have many awards like this one here that are named after those long-term team members that have done such an outstanding job of satisfying our customers over the last 59 years. Please join us this year and next year as we're about to celebrate our 60th anniversary here at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. This particular award here is Jeanne Fultz. Jeanne passed away here recently, and we love her. Actually, we love her very much. Jeanne and her two sisters actually worked here at the Superstore together with us for many years. And normally you'd think that'd be high drama, right? But now with Jeanne and her sisters, Anita, etc., and Vicky, they were outstanding team members, outstanding teammates, satisfied hundreds and hundreds of customers here at the Superstore, did an outstanding job. And again, I talk to people about that all the time. You work with three sisters, you'd think it'd be a high drama deal. It was not. These ladies were outstanding. Just to give you an idea of some of the recent award winners, Jamee Dewart, Tynan Campbell, Juliana Link, Sarah Hungerford, Zach Hurst, Mark Ballard, who just got an award earlier, Jamee Dewart, who's getting an award here today, Linda Whitfoth. And this year's award winner is Jermaine Winters and Jamee Dewart. Congratulations. Jamie's busy satisfying a customer right now. So I'm going to give this plaque to my buddy Jermaine. Talk to the camera, tell why should people come visit us at the Superstore?
Hi, it's Jermaine at the Monroe Dodge Superstore. Family atmosphere, we treat customers like family as well. We have tons of repeat customers, even only being here 5 years. I've had a ton of repeat customers that come because they love the low payment kings and the deals that we can get you.
5 years already, buddy. That's good, man. I love it. Jermaine started entry level and has worked his way up, and he's a young guy with a great future and a great career ahead of him here at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. Again, 60th anniversary coming up. Congrats to all of our award winners, including Jermaine and Jamie. We were able to get Jamie out of the service lane from satisfied customers and come get her award. But that's her. She cares about taking care of customers. It's number one priority. You wouldn't believe all the compliments I get about Jamee Dewart, right? That's why her name is on this plaque in previous years. It's going to be on her photo and plaque with Jermaine. Are going to be on here this year, and I guarantee you these two will be on this plaque in future years as well. Jamie, thank you very much for all you do. We love you. Keep satisfying customers. Congratulations on your award. What do you got to say to the camera?
I appreciate the opportunity and look forward to continuing satisfying our customers. We have a great team there, we all pitch in and help each other out so we can get through and satisfy our customers.
Yep. We want to serve you more and save you more. So come see Jermaine, Jamie, and the entire five-star team at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. Good luck. God bless. We'll see you soon. Thank you very much.